I am energized. Say with me, I am energized. But what does that really mean? Maybe energy is not something you have to chase. Not coffee, not noise, not forcing yourself to feel alive. Maybe energy begins somewhere quieter, in your breath, in your body, in the moment you choose to wake yourself up from the inside. And yes, some days it feels easier than others, but when you slow down enough to really listen, there's something there. A spark, a shift, a steady kind of fire. Today, we're going to find it out together. Come to the top of your mat. Stand tall. Feet hip-width apart. Palms facing forward. Take a slow breath into your belly and ribs. Exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale and feel the body expand. Exhale and let the shoulders drop. One more. Feel the floor under your feet. Feel yourself arrive. Not rushing, just waking up. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Bring your hands to prayer. Exhale, open your hands. And lower them down. Again, inhale, rise. Exhale, open. Let the movement feel smooth, like energy gathering and spreading through your body. Reach your arms up, lift through the chest, and take a small back bend if that feels good. Inhale. Exhale, take your arms out to the side. Lift the middle finger as you inhale. Lower it as you exhale. Again. Just tiny movement and a steady focus. Come to the long side of your mat. Sweep your arms up and sit from the hips into chair position. Notice the weight in your heels. Feel your legs turn on. Stay with the heat. And fold forward. Let the head hang. You can grab your arms and walk side to side if you want. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Keep your knees bent at first. Find length in the spine. Then slowly walk it out. From downward dog, step your left foot forward. Lower the back knee if you want. Inhale, rise into crescent low lunge. Option to clasp the hands behind the back. Lift the back knee for high lunge. Arms up. Now ground your back foot, warrior 1. Open to warrior 2. Arms wide, gaze forward. Reverse warrior, reach up and back. Then extended side angle. Forearm to thigh or hand to the mat. Circle the hands down and slowly come to stand. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me better, but you can stay here. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Flow through plank. Upward dog. Downward dog. And now step the right foot forward. Crescent low lunge. Arms up. Hands can stay on the knee or clasp behind the back. Lift through the chest. Rise into high lunge. Ground the back foot, warrior 1. Then open to warrior 2. Front arm reaches back. then forwards for extended side angle. Circle your hands down. Flow through plank, upward dog, downward dog. Now step or hop to the front of your mat. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, lower and flow through plank, cobra or upward dog, then downward dog. Take 2 rounds or 3 rounds like this. Let the breath lead. From downward dog, lower to your forearms for dolphin's pose. Hips lifted high, knees can stay bent or straightened, you decide. Now as we inhale, shift forward into forearm plank. Exhale, push back to dolphin. Again, forward, back. Move like an ocean wave. One more. Stay clean, stay strong. Then hold your plank for the last few seconds. Almost done. You're doing amazing. And lower down into child's pose. Come to a seated position. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Notice how you feel now. How your body is warm. How your breath is fuller. How the energy is coursing through your body. More awake, more clear, more alive. If this practice lit something up in you, save it for the mornings you need it. Namaste.